This is not a sci-fi movie. This is real life. I found a rare zombie parasite called Spinellus fusiger, devouring a poor Mycena mushroom from the inside out. Watch how it grows creepy metallic spikes with black heads right throughout the host's skin to spread its spores. Drop a comment. Would you touch this thing?